everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anjani. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're a new subscriber here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjani. So today I am vlogging again for you guys. I got a very good response from the last vlog that I did with my family, which was like a full day at quarantine when what I do with my family. So if you haven't already seen that, I would really suggest you to go and check that out. So today's video is going to be again like a vlog sort of a video because I love vlogging. You guys love to see my vlogs, so I got a reason to vlog. Anyways, so today is I guess 16th of June and अभी बजे हुए हैं 12:30 और ये मैडम 10 मिनट पहले ही उठी हुई है. So I usually have started to get up around at 9 o'clock in the morning and start to do like my whole life which I used to do before the lockdown. पूरा स्टार्ट हो चुका है, पूरा नहीं बट 60% में से हो चुका है पूरा रूटीन वापस. बट आज मुझे छुट्टी है, आज ट्यूसडे है, सो आई हैव अ हॉलीडे टुडे. सो आई थॉट आई वुड प्लान द होल डे and share it with you guys. Do you see any change right now, like when it comes to stability and all that? Because I got a new tripod and a new adjustment, which is quite heavy, but which is quite good also. Like you have stable hands, and I really like this. So I really wanted to try this tripod out as well. If you want me to show, I'll show you guys very quickly. This is the tripod. This is by Manfrotto. If I'm not wrong, I will have the links in the description box below still. And this is the adjustment. ये usually cameras के लिए होता है, like the DSLR ones. But इसके अगर आपको फ़ोन से vlog करना है, जो मैं usually करती हूँ, मेरे सारे वीडियो सारे ये सब मेरे फ़ोन से है. This is the OnePlus 6T. तो उसके लिए मुझे एक अलग से एडजस्टमेंट लेना पड़ा. एंड आई ऑल्सो ऑर्डर्ड अ माइक. सो सब मुझे मिला के 2000 रुपीज़ में पड़ा है फ्रॉम अमेजोन. इफ़ यू वांट दीज आई विल हैव द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो फॉर यू गाइज. बट इट्स वेरी गुड, इट्स वेरी स्टेबल और इतना शेकी वीडियो नहीं होता जितना पहले होता था. और मैं यूजुअली ऐसे पकड़ के व्लॉग करती थी बिकॉज मेरे हाथ फिर बहुत दुखते थे. तो एटलीस्ट आई हैव अ स्टेबलाइजर. एंड देन दिस ओपन अप्स एज वेल इफ आई कैन शो. तो दिख रहा है आपको ये, तो ये पूरी जगह से खुल जाता है. सो यू कैन यू नो like stick somewhere and you can start vlogging or do click pictures or whatever you like. So yeah, ये मेरा न्यू परचेज है जो मैंने अमेजोन से खरीदा. ओके, सो दैट वाज द होल अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजी थिंग. आई एम नॉट दैट गुड एट टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सप्लेनेशन. आई एम रियली सॉरी अगर मैंने कुछ गलत यहाँ वहाँ बता दिया. बट जो भी अगर मतलब जितना भी मैंने सामान खरीदा हुआ है, आई विल हैव ऑल द प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, तो यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड चेक इट आउट. सो अभी बजे हुए हैं 12:45. इट्स अबाउट 1:15 एंड आई एम क्वाइट हंग्री. ममा भी ऑलरेडी किचन में चले गए हैं. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स कुकिंग. एंड आज के प्लान्स बहुत ऐसे प्लान नहीं है. मुझे मेरा कबर्ड क्लीन करना है, मेकअप वाला और कपड़े वाला. I have to go down. I have to get myself a couple of things. I will take you guys along obviously. And आज शायद से मुझे मोमोज खाने की इच्छा है, तो मैं मोमोज भी बना सकती हूँ. ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, मेरे मूड पे है, अगर हुआ तो ठीक है. बट आई विल कीप यू गाइस अपडेटेड. तो अभी चलते हैं किचन की तरफ. लंच टाइम. मदर इज बैक. हाय.
What are you doing, Banda? I am making chapati for everyone. You are making Frankie for me and your brother. Thank you so much and bless you.
आपको पता है लास्ट व्लॉग में मेरे से ज़्यादा आपको अप्रिसिएशन मिली है.
Thank you so much, guys. Everyone, thank you so much.
So guys, we are having Frankie and some aloo ka sabzi and roti because
Your daddy loves only.
my daddy likes aloo ज़्यादा. And this is something that I have made. See? Like an egg right now, but I just completed cooking and everything and I am already exhausted because कितनी गर्मी है मुंबई में. But it is almost 1:45 और मेरा बैंक जाना तो हुआ नहीं because I was cooking and everything and I was helping mama. But right now she's having lunch. I'm not that hungry, so I won't eat. I'll eat late, like once I come back home. So the plans right now are to go out and get myself some dumbbells and some yoga mat, like one yoga mat and a couple of dumbbells. So I am really excited because I haven't worked out for like at least 2 weeks now, which is very bad, but I have to start working out again. So yeah, I thought of giving you guys a little bit of update, and I will see you guys when I get down. Guys, I have finally gotten down with my mummy. So we have got down. It is almost 3 o'clock. भाई ऐसा लग रहा ही नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन जैसा कुछ है, बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज स्टार्टेड रूमिंग एंड एवरीवन हैज स्टार्टेड गोइंग डाउन. बाहर सब घूमने लगे. मेरे को तो ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि कोरोना था, लॉकडाउन था. बट एनीवेज वी हैव स्टिल अ प्रिकॉशंस. वी आर इन द रिक्शा राइट नाउ. वी आर गोइंग टू गेट सम groceries and everything. So yeah. So guys, I'm finally back home and it is couple of hours later. I'm really sorry I got busy with washing the utensils और थोड़ा झाड़ू पट्टा करना था यहाँ वहाँ. But right now I'm very hungry, so I am making myself, for me and my mom, I'm making some Maggie. So that's what's going on, and then I will go down again because I forgot couple of things. So I have to go down and get that, and then later on I have planned, because I haven't done an Instagram shoot for a very very long time, so I have to do that, and I also have to work out. So these are the two things that we need to get done. So I'll work out around at 8 o'clock ish, and then raat ko late I will shoot around at 12 or something, I'm not sure, but I will keep you guys updated. So that's what's happening right now. I am making some Maggie. Always working 24/7, no time for family. क्या कर लोगे इतना करके? क्या उखाड़ोगे? Okay, so guys, there was one particular thing that I wanted to share, and there were many people who were commenting on my Instagram, asking me and telling me to talk about the whole corona situation and how the whole lockdown situation. So I saw the news the other day and I heard everything like about the whole Sushant Singh thing, and like there are many people who are suffering with the same, like the whole depression and everything sort of a thing. But I would really suggest, and I would really like, this is my full opinion, कि भाई लॉकडाउन होने ही वाला है. यू हैव टू बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड, बिकॉज कोरोना एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो इजीली जाने नहीं वाली. तो वी ऑल हैव, लाइक एटलीस्ट माई फैमिली एंड पीपल हु आई कैन टेल, उनको तो ऐसे ही पर्सपेक्टिव में डाल दिया है कि भाई लॉकडाउन रहने ही वाला है. सो यू हैव टू बी मेंटली यू नो aware, and you have to be mentally prepared कि this is something that is going to take a long time. So I would suggest to not take certain steps. Like, I know it's hard for everyone to sit at home and do nothing. Many people are losing their jobs and everything, but what we can't do anything, right? So all we can do is like handle ourselves, handle our loved ones, and take into consideration that we are getting time with them, because बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो लॉकडाउन में भी अकेले रह रहे हैं, उनकी फैमिली कहीं और है, वो कहीं और है. But so we are quite lucky that we have a family with us over here who are helping us, who are, I'm not saying that I am very happy लॉकडाउन ये सब होने के पहले के 2 महीने मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट थे. रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ एंग्जाइटी अटैक, पैनिक अटैक सब होता था. बट यू नो आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग यूज टू इट, बिकॉज मेंटली ऐसे हो ही गया है कि अगर ये पीरियड में अगर हम घर पे नहीं रहे, और या फिर ये सर्टन पीरियड पे अगर बाहर जाने का हो या कुछ भी हो, और फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है, योर लाइफ कैन एंड इन कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स. So you don't know what it is. So I know you are not in the situation, you are not alone in the whole situation. We are also there. If you need to talk to somebody, I would suggest talk to your parent or talk to someone who you are comfortable with. Talk about the whole situation, कि कैसे है, क्या है. And that's what I personally do. I either talk to my parents, like I'm very close to my mom when it comes to all this.
We are lucky we are
family. That's what even my mother is saying the same thing, that we are very lucky that we are over here and we have our families. I have many friends. I have one friend who stays in Santa Cruz, जिसके mom dad किधर और है, and he's staying alone at the house. So it's very difficult. So think that you are lucky if you are with your parents, and please cooperate with them. And अगर please cooperate with everybody. थोड़ा difficult हो सकता है सबके लिए, मेरे लिए भी बहुत difficult है, but we have to get used to it. And you won't get the time to spend with your family every time, because I being like, when it comes to my family, my brother 24/7 वो उसके ऑफिस के काम में किधर ना किधर रहता है. Same goes with my mother and my father. So I don't really get so much of time to spend with my family. So just utilize that time and stay positive and enjoy the time that you have, and everything will come through. सब ठीक हो जाएगा guys. So stay happy, stay positive. Okay, bye. Hey everyone, it's really later. Right now it's almost 8 o'clock and I haven't vlogged in a while. तो ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है कि after having my Maggie and after I last vlog मैं नीचे गई हुई थी, अपने friends को मिली and got couple of things for my house, and then मैं घर पे आके तुरंत सो गई. I don't know what happened. You can see my face is quite swollen. ये देखो, अब तक मेरे sleep stretch marks है, but I don't know, मेरे को बहुत I was just having a lot headache and मैं just सो गई घर पे आके. So right now I'm having a cup of black coffee. मुझे इतनी भूख तो नहीं है. ये पीने के बाद शायद से 9 साढ़े 9 तक I'll start my workout and then take a shower, get fresh and start with my Instagram shoot. I have couple of looks in my head, so I really wanted to do that and shoot for my Instagram. So that has to be done anyhow by today. So that is the thing that I'm going to be doing. And dinner wise, my mom is shayad se, or mom or dad, someone is going to cook today. I don't know, let's see. They are planning on making pulao. मुझे उतनी भूख तो है नहीं, पर देखते हैं क्या होता है, कैसा होता है. So right now I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and later on we'll work out. So see you when I start working out. Okay guys, so as you guys saw, I did my workout. It was a bomb workout. मैंने ऐसा workout बहुत time से नहीं किया and I feel really good. I did like a full upper body, like back, chest, shoulder, ऐसा सब पूरा workout, and my hands are shaking right now. But it's a good sign. It's a good sign for a proper good workout. So right now the plans are to go take a shower and then have something and start with my shoot that I have to do for my Instagram. So yeah, we have a lot to do. So without wasting any more time, let's take a shower and I'll see you in some time. Guys, this is the dinner. Oh my god, my dad made paneer tawa pulao sort of a thing. So this, uske saath, oh, we have papad and some bacha kucha onions. So that's for dinner. So guys, I am all done. I took a shower. I did my utensils, जो भी मुझे बर्तन वगैरह धोने थे वो सब हो चुका है. So I'm prepared right now and I'm going to sit down and shoot for my Instagram. I have couple of looks in mind, as I told you guys earlier. I did a poll on Instagram asking for if you want a creative look or a glam look, and a lot of you guys requested for the creative look, so I'm going to be doing that. So I have all my setup. I have my makeup vanity on which you are right now, and I have my ring light over here. So सब प्लान हो चुका है and I think this is the right time to end the vlog, because इसके बाद मैं कुछ करने नहीं वाली हूँ. So I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you want more vlogs, do leave in the comment section down below, and I have lot more videos for you guys planned. So I hope you subscribe to my channel to see that, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment whatever you feel about the video. I really hope you guys enjoy. I love you so freaking much. Stay happy, stay positive and stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.